welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Bello Ifeoluwa. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ẹ̀kọ́ èdè Yorùbá pẹ̀lú Ifeoluwa. Learn Yoruba with Ifeoluwa. Welcome to Learn Yoruba with Ifeoluwa. And if you are new here, welcome. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And if there's anything you want me to teach you, you comment so you will learn more about it. And in today's episode, today's class will be going through part of the body in Yoruba, àwọn ẹ̀yà ara, part of the body ní Gẹ̀ẹ́sì, ní èdè Òyìnbó, part of the body, and àwọn ẹ̀yà ara ní èdè Yorùbá. Part of the body, àwọn ẹ̀yà ara. Ear, irun, that's your ear. Irun. Head, orí. Head, orí. That's your head. Your head in Yoruba we say ori. Head, ori. Eyebrow, irun ojú. Eyebrow, irun ojú. Eye, your eye. Ojú, eye, ojú. Nose, that is your nose. Your nose. Imú, nose. Imú. Mouth, that is your mouth. Mouth, ẹnu. Mouth, ẹnu. Mouth, ẹnu. Your tongue, tongue, ahọ́n. Tongue, ahọ́n. Teeth, eyín. Teeth, eyín. Cheek, ẹ̀kẹ́. Cheek, ẹ̀kẹ́. Cheek, that's your cheek. ẹ̀kẹ́. Ear, etí. Ear, etí. Ear, etí. Neck, that is your neck. Ọrùn, neck. Ọrùn, neck. Ọrùn. Shoulder, èjìká. Shoulder, èjìká. Shoulder, èjìká. Chest, àyà. Chest, àyà. Belly, ikùn. Can say stomach or belly, ikùn. Stomach, ikùn. Belly, ikùn. That is your stomach. Belly, ikùn. Stomach, ikùn. Back, that is your back. Ẹ̀yìn. Back, ẹ̀yìn. Arm, apá. That's your arm. Arm, apá. Finger, ìka ọwọ́. Finger, ìka ọwọ́. Finger, ìka ọwọ́. Elbow, elbow, ìgúnpá. Elbow, ìgúnpá. Hand, ọwọ́. Your hand. Ọwọ́. Hand, ọwọ́. Wrist, wrist, ọrùn ọwọ́. Wrist, ọrùn ọwọ́. Wrist, ọrùn ọwọ́. Belly button, ìdodo. Belly button, ìdodo. Belly button, ìdodo. Thigh, itan. Thigh, itan. Leg, ẹsẹ̀. That is your leg. Leg, ẹsẹ̀. That's the leg that is used for walking. Ẹsẹ̀. Leg, ẹsẹ̀. Ankle, ọrùn ẹsẹ̀. Ankle, ọrùn ẹsẹ̀. When you say wrist, ọrùn ọwọ́, then ankle is ọrùn ẹsẹ̀. Wrist, ọrùn ọwọ́. Ankle, ọrùn ẹsẹ̀. Toe, ìka ẹsẹ̀. Toe, ìka ẹsẹ̀. Like when we say finger, ìka ọwọ́, then toe, ìka ẹsẹ̀. Thank you for watching this episode. Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing. And please subscribe for your children, for the elderly ones that are interested in learning Yoruba. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And please don't forget to comment if there's anything you want me to teach you in Yoruba that you like to know. I would like to teach you. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ẹ ṣé gan ni. Thank you.